Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream with milk. First, you'll need fresh, unpasteurized whole milk. Pour your milk into a wide, shallow container, like a bowl or a pan. This maximizes the surface area, helping the cream rise more effectively. Then, place the container in the refrigerator and let it sit undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. This chilling period is crucial for the fat to separate and rise to the top. After the refrigeration period, you'll notice a distinct, thicker layer of cream floating on top of the milk. This is your homemade cream. To collect it, gently use a large spoon or a small ladle. Carefully skim the cream off the surface, trying not to disturb the milk underneath. Once collected, transfer your fresh cream into a clean, airtight container. Be patient and precise for the best yield. Now that you have your fresh, homemade cream, it's ready to enjoy. This rich, delicious cream is perfect for adding to your morning coffee or tea, enhancing your favorite desserts, or even enriching savory dishes. For a delightful treat, you can whip it with a mixer to create fluffy, homemade whipped cream. Remember to store any unused cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days to maintain its freshness. For the best results, always choose milk with a higher fat content, as this will naturally produce more cream. It's also vital to avoid disturbing the milk while it's separating in the refrigerator. Any movement can hinder the cream from rising properly. This simple method allows you to enjoy fresh, natural cream at home. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy cream making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.